What is going on, everyone? How's everyone doing today? This is the Rage and the Worst, and I am back with another Diana Ankudinova reaction video. Hopefully, I have it pronounced correctly. Finally, I have been getting a lot of help from people how to pronounce her name because uh, a lot of people pronounce it differently, and I've been told a lot of different ways to pronounce her name. I am American, so her name over here would be Diana, but you always have to get everything correct when it comes to artists because it is a respect factor and you definitely want to know how to pronounce somebody's name correctly because that's very respectful. But yes, we are back with another Diana reaction video. I was told that this was a great video and that I needed to check it out and that I would not be disappointed in this. I'm ready for it. I think this is called Blizzard, but let's just get right into this to check this out. Ooh, getting goosebumps. Oh, I can't wait for winter.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной.
Whoever made this video was really creative. Like the way everything is just placed together, it just flows so well. Wow. Really love the instrumental of this. Wow, that was a really amazing video. I'm actually sad that it's over. I am really sad that it ended. I just love when a video is so good that it just ends and you just like, oh my God, is that it? That can't be it. I want more. It is always a pleasure and great to be able to sit here, kick back, and watch Diana go to work because she is an amazing performer, amazing singer. She has a lot of range and just a real, true, shining star. And she is the future. There's a lot of great singers out there in the world, but Diana is very, very, very unique. Um, she is very unique. Her style is just different. I've never seen a singer that does the type of music that she does and that just sings like she does, and everything is just unique. Uh, the things that she can do with her voice is unique because we know that she can do many different styles. We know that we seen her cover a lot of amazing songs where she changes up the way that her voice like sings. Like she's not singing in a deep tone, she's singing higher. How many singers do you know that can flawlessly sing real low, high, and just is flawless with singing whatever they do? Like like I said, she has done a lot of many different songs, performances, covers. Uh, if you don't believe me, I know everybody that is watching this video, y'all already know her range and the things that she can do. But in case I have anybody new that is watching this video for the first time, just go to her channel and look at covers and performances and just a lot of different things that she's put on her channel, like Havana, and just so many like amazing covers, songs, and performances. And she is making a big splash around the world because I see a lot of people from different countries that like her, and it's just amazing, and it's just great to see because I just want talent to succeed. Anybody that has real talent, I just want them to succeed and just be great. And Diana is great, and she is a star. But enough of me talking. This has been another Rage in the Worst reaction. I will see you all for the next one. Yeet.